Ukraine's secret weapon against Russia, Turkish drones. Surveillance drone footage released by a pro-Ukrainian source shows a series of alleged drone strikes on Russian military vehicles in an undisclosed location. What we can get from the strikes is that mainly Russian MRAP and trucks were targeted by the strikes. Ukraine recently released several videos of Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones conducting strikes on Russian military vehicles, but we cannot say for sure that TB2 were involved this time. Based on the damage dealt by the strikes, it is also possible that the drone could have directed some other type of fire, such as mortars, for example. In a video that went viral on Twitter Sunday night, a massive explosion rips through what appears to be a Russian convoy, scoring a direct hit on a surface-to-air missile system. The black and white footage, posted to the account of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, is one of several that have emerged on social media in recent days showing the devastating impact of Ukrainian drone strikes on Russian hardware. As the drone's payload explodes in the video, which appears to be a cell phone recording of a screen in a Ukrainian drone facility, people at the facility can be heard gasping in awe before breaking out in cheers and applause.